In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save website data to Notion without writing a single line of code. This is a practical guide for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and organize information efficiently using Notion. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing Chrome Web Store into the search bar. This step is crucial because we're going to add a helpful tool that will make transferring data to Notion a breeze. Now that we're at the Chrome Web Store, the next thing we want to do is search for the Save to Notion extension. This is a fantastic tool that essentially acts as a bridge, allowing you to capture information from any website directly into your Notion workspace. Type Save to Notion into the search bar and you will quickly see it in the search results. Make sure you click on it to bring up the detailed view. Once you're on the extensions page, go ahead and click the Add to Chrome button. This will install the extension into your browser, making it available for any future data saving tasks you have in mind. After it's been added, it's a good idea to navigate to your browser's extension bar, typically located at the top right corner, and pin the Save to Notion extension for easy access. This means it will always be visible and ready to use whenever you need to save some data. With the extension successfully installed and pinned, the next step involves logging into your Notion account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Creating an account is straightforward and free. Once logged in, you'll want to set up a new form to which you'll be sending all the data from various websites. This form acts as a dedicated space, keeping everything organized and easily retrievable. Now, let's find a piece of content online that you'd like to save. For demonstration purposes, you could go to a blog or any article online. When you find a website with data you want to save, simply click the Save to Notion icon on your browser. The extension will prompt you to select which form or page within your Notion workspace you want to save this data to. The great thing here is that you can save information to an existing page or create a new form specifically for this purpose. And there you have it, a seamless method to capture and organize web data in Notion using the Save to Notion Chrome extension. Once you start using this workflow, you will find yourself saving time and keeping your digital workspace much tidier. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.